What is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a nutritional supplement powder that claims to encourage weight loss using an ancient Japanese drink recipe that melts body fat and causes accelerated metabolism benefits. The makers of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic describe the supplement as a simple and effective weight loss solution. By taking the formula daily, you can allegedly lose weight without significant diet or exercise. In fact, the creators of the formula claim you can continue eating your favorite foods, avoid counting calories, and avoid strenuous exercises, all while losing weight. By taking Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic daily, you can purportedly enjoy significant weight loss results. You mix 1 scoop of the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic with water or a shake, then drink it daily to enjoy various benefits. Developed by Mike Banner, the Okinawa recipe is to be consumed before 10 a.m. every single morning to allow peak performance in terms of metabolism and fat-burning capabilities, along with a few nutritional tips outlined in the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic manual that accompanies the product. There are thousands of weight loss products out there, but Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is outselling them all. There must be a reason, and it may be because the Okinawa diet actually works. For more information on the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, please visit fatburningfacts.com.